Well, every 4 minutes, one person dies of a road accident in India. That's a fact and a brutal reality for all of us here. Now, we need better laws for families and victims of road safety accidents. Now, in fact, 2 lakh citizens had signed a petition which was handed over to the Prime Minister's office by victims of road accidents to pass the new Road Transport Safety Bill in the winter session of Parliament.
Relatives of road accident victims united for a cause, as they petitioned the Prime Minister's office to bring in the new Road Transport and Safety Bill in the current winter session of Parliament. Driving on Indian roads can be a deadly experience. Road accidents claim one life every 4 minutes in India, which has just 1% of the world's vehicles, but accounts for 10% of accidents, the highest number of road fatalities in the world.
ये कानून का डर तो लाता है। सबसे पहले डर ही चाहिए लोगों में। एक्चुअली डर नहीं है, कानून का डर नहीं है। कानून का डर नाम की तो कोई चीज़ नहीं है लोगों में। मैं भी, मेरा बेटा आज मेरे साथ होता। ये ज़रूरी है, कानून बहुत ज़रूरी है, ये आना चाहिए, इम्प्लीमेंट होना चाहिए ज़रूर।
जिस टाइम मेरे साथ एक्सीडेंट हुआ वो मॉर्निंग का टाइम था और उस टाइम कोई ट्रैफिक नहीं था, लेकिन उस ड्राइवर को किसी का डर नहीं था, इसलिए वो बिल्कुल बच्चों के ऊपर चढ़ा था, वो चलाया। तो यहाँ strict होने चाहिए laws.
The government wants to replace the archaic Motor Vehicles Act with the new and more stringent Road Transport and Safety Bill. The law at the draft stage includes several new provisions, including prescribing minimum safety standards for vehicles, roads and road users, setting up of a new National Road Safety Authority with powers to order recall of vehicles in case of defects, a unified driver licensing system to ensure that drivers don't own multiple licenses.
There are several lobbies that are not very happy with the bill because it's finally holding them accountable for safety. There's the automobile lobby, there's the RTOs, there are truck owners association, all of whom will be held accountable for their practices which have been going on for many years now.
I think in India, with the level of road safety accidents, there's not a single family that's not been touched one way or the other through road accidents. This government itself has lost their senior most politician in Maharashtra, Mr. Munde.
Sources in the Transport Ministry say that efforts are on to try and introduce the bill in this session.
More than 377 people lose their lives on India's roads every day. That's almost the equivalent of a fully loaded jumbo jet. And while a draft bill is in the works, which looks at safety and all the comprehensive aspects of driving on India's roads, citizens are hoping that finally there will be enough momentum to get this bill in Parliament and hopefully its passage in the winter session. In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.